I'm here with Paul Isley at Rainforest Flora on their sale. How you doing, Paul?
Fine, Barry. Hi, everybody. Every once in a while we have a big sale. Not very often because we're so darn busy trying to keep up with everything that it's hard to organize for that. But we are doing it this weekend. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Torrance. And if you're in the neighborhood and you get a chance to come by, everything's 20% off. So come on down.
And Paul, I know you sort of play Santa Claus with a sale at the end of the year. Is that right?
Sometimes. Again, it's trying to get the time to do it, but we'd love to have a Christmas sale. Yeah, that's great. But it's just whether or not we get the time to organize for it. It's like everything else. I know all of you watching out there, your lives are just as busy as mine, right? And you try and do something extra, and it just takes all your time. So, good luck.
Paul, one last thing. Who is this assistant of yours there?
This is Paws, and Paws is kind of our mascot, and she's famous. People love Paws. She's very gentle, and she has her own tray. And she's our mascot. So,
sort of an integrated rodent management person.
Yeah. She can't deal with the raccoons, though. That's a separate issue. Bye, everybody.
Thanks, Paul.